Hello guys, it is me, Prince K here, and today I'll be showing you how to jailbreak your PlayStation 4 version 4.55 using an Android device. When jailbreaking the PS4, your PS4 and your Android device will have to be connected to the same internet, else it will not work. So let's get started. There will be a link in the description to get the PlayStation 4 jailbreak application for your device. But before you install it, you need to go into your settings. You need to scroll down to the lock screen and security, and you want to make sure unknown sources is checked so you can download it from the internet. After you download it, you're going to launch it, and at the top of the screen you should see connect to the PS4, and it'll have a URL. Basically what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to put this onto the internet browser of our PS4. As you can see guys, I've hooked up my phone to the PS4, so basically you can see what I'm doing on my phone as well as on the PS4. Now, as I said earlier, for this to work you need to be connected to the internet on both devices to the same internet, and we also want to select Hen Homebrew Enabler on our phone to jailbreak the PlayStation 4. After we've gone all of that, we can now go ahead and search. As you can see here, it's sending the payload, and now the payload has been set, and it says you are all set. Now that means we have successfully jailbroken our PS4. Now if I was to exit out of this and go into settings, as you can see here, we have debug settings. We also have package installer. So that means we can also get free games, download homebrew apps such as emulators and other things. Guys, if this was helpful, like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.